Hi. Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to learn phonic sounds. Let's start it. A says and apple. B says b boy bus. C says cat cup. D says doll duck. E says elephant egg. F says fan fox. G says gift girl. H says hat I says igloo ink. J says jam jeep. K says kid. L says lamp leg. M says man mug. N says nut. O says ox orange. P says pot. Pot pen. Q says queen quail. R says rat red. S says sun sit. T says tin tap. U says umbrella up. V says van violin. W says win well. X says box fox. Y says yak. Yellow yak. Z says zip zoo. Friends, let me repeat it. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U R V W X Y Z. Friends, I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please like, share, subscribe, and don't forget to click the bell icon. Thanks for watching.